Hey guys, good morning. How is everyone? You are watching Zen Innovations. What I have today is an LED panel. Now, if you brought these new LED panels and if you're thinking that, well, I'll install them myself, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily and very safely install these LED panels in your ceiling. Alright guys, so here as you can see that this is how the LED panel is currently installed in the ceiling, and the interesting part here is that there are no screws or clips visible. So if you are confused how to remove this LED panel, watch this video completely. Now this LED panel is actually held in by using springs, and I will show you how to remove those springs carefully, and also give you a bonus tip where you can protect the paint of your ceiling, because what happens is if you directly pull this LED panel out, the paint which is applied on this LED panel as well as your ceiling, it tends to tear off. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll use this kind of cutter, or you can use a knife, and we are going to go around on all the four edges of this LED panel at least 3 to 4 times. What this will do is it will provide a clean cut, you can say a clean edge, so that the paint won't tear off and then it won't ruin your ceiling. So let me do all the four sides for you, and by that time guys, if you haven't checked out the repair videos of LED panels, so I have both the Hindi and English versions in description below. Please go ahead and check them out. So here is what I have done by using the knife on all four sides. Now I will show you how to remove this LED panel. So for that, what we will do is we will pick these sides and we will gently tug on them, and once you get the LED panel lifted from the ceiling, you can see that it is held in by using a pretty small spring. So let me show you how the spring looks, and let's remove it very carefully. If you apply a lot of force, then there is a chance that your false ceiling could crack, or it could it could lose the pieces. So go ahead and do it very carefully. And over here, as you can see that this is the first spring. Now each LED panel will have two springs, one over here and one on the other side. So what we will do is we will press this spring using the finger and then very gently remove this LED panel. And after that, we will simply pull this LED panel sideways so as to release the another clip. And this is how the other side clip, or the spring you can say, has become released, and the LED panel is here now in our hands. And over here guys, you can remove the electrical connection, but before doing that, I highly recommend that you go ahead and turn off the MCBs, the circuit breakers of your house, and only then you try to disconnect this driver. Now to disconnect this driver, you need to twist it very slightly and then it will come out. So this is how the LED driver looks, and this is how it is connected inside your house wiring. And if you are uncomfortable about your house wiring, I suggest you consult with a professional electrician who can remove the wiring for you. So let's quickly undo this the coupler which is connected to the LED panel and the driver, because I don't need to change the entire driver. I'll be just changing the square LED panel, and here it comes. So guys, here is the new LED panel which I brought. Actually, I did not buy it, I just repaired it. As we said, the repair video are in descriptions, and it has these same the clips, the springs you can say, and I'll show you how to install these clips inside the ceiling. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to connect this power connector. It is very annoying if you install the LED panel and then you forget to power it, to connect the power connector, and then it does not turn on. So let's install the power connector first. Twist it slightly and it holds nicely and securely in the place. And now we will go ahead with these mysterious springs. So what I'll do is I'll lift one spring and then insert that lifted end inside the POP ceiling, and here remains the second spring. Now for the second spring, again we will lift it all the way up, and I'll insert that lifted part inside the false ceiling, and now we will gently start pushing the whole LED panel up into your ceiling, and in a few moments it will simply settle down and it will take its own position. And that is how guys you install a false ceiling LED panel very safely and very nicely. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Have a nice day.